in Pampanga, which happened today. Thousands of people suffered due to the lahar that makes their life difficult to get back again. Ngayon naman ay uulat ni Claire Luna ang mangyayari sa mismong lugar.
Ngayon nga ay nandito ako sa Pampanga, wherein the Kapampangan are full of chaos and panic because of the sudden eruption of the Mount Pinatubo. Now, I will try to interview the people who are suffering. Maraming salamat po, nag-uulat. Back to you, Kyle.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, ulat Claire. Nakita naman po natin sa tingin ang pagtutok ng Mount Pinatubo na naging dahilan ng pangdigas ng mga tao na nilalaman malapit sa bulkan.
Kawawa naman sila. Oo nga, paano kaya tayo kapag bigyan na magtututok ang bulkan? Hindi natin alam. Hindi ba tayo ready?
Kaya kailangan natin malaman kung ano yung mga side of trending kapag tututok ang bulkan.
Oo nga, may alam ako ng mga site sa Google para matingnan natin yung mga presentation nila about sa bagong pagtutok ng bulkan.
Tara, tignan na natin.
Oo nga, tara!
Increased seismic activity, a surge in earthquakes, especially volcanic tremors and long-period earthquakes, signals magma movement beneath the surface. Short-period earthquakes occur as magma fractures rock, while long-period events suggest as pressure build up in magma chambers. Harmonic tremors, continuous ground vibrations, may also precede eruptions. Ground deformation, swelling or bulging of the volcano surface indicates magma accumulation. At shallow depths, tools like GPS and altimeters detect subtle changes in elevation or slope, or as seen before the 1980 Mount St. Helens eruption.
Gas emissions, increased release of sulfur dioxide, SO2, and carbon dioxide, CO2, often precedes eruption as magma rises and depressurizes. Sudden drops in gas emissions may also signal magma hardening, increasing eruption risk. Thermal and hydrological changes, heat anomalies, rising surface temperatures detected via infrared cameras or satellites suggest magma nearing the surface. Water chemistry, changes in groundwater temperature or composition near volcanic vents can indicate subsurface activity.
Steam eruptions, explosive steam bursts occur when magma hits groundwater. These events, though small, often precede large magmatic eruptions. Landslide or rock falls, movement of rocks or debris caused by underground pressure.
Ash or steam emission, increased release of ash, smoke, or steam from vents or cracks. Drying up of water resources, wells, springs, or river near the volcano may dry up due to the heat and ground movement.
Ay, ganun pala.
Oo nga, napakaganda naman ng gumawa ng presentasyon na ito, talagang nakatulong sa atin.
Kaya, napakalaki ng tulong sa atin.